What's up guys, my name is Bailey and in this video I want to show you guys my Amazon Associates account and its earnings for the month. The reason why I'm making this video is to inspire you guys to start creating more content and to find more ways to earn passive income. Now if you guys don't know what Amazon Associates is, Amazon Associates is an affiliate program that gives you commission on products that you review, products that you enjoy, and products that you just want people to have. The way this works is when you find a product that you really enjoy or that you are reviewing, you can actually get a link through Amazon and they will give you a specific link that is tied to your account. And when someone purchases a product through that link, it'll actually give you a commission. Now on my screen right here, I've pulled up the specific product categories and the fee rates that they give you. If you look right here, if you're promoting furniture or home improvement items, things like that, you'll get an 8% commission on the total price that they pay. If you promote headphones, beauty products, musical instruments, stuff like that, you'll get 6%. Outdoor stuff, tools, that's 5.5%, and so on and so forth. Under here, you'll see bounty events. Now these are not products specifically, they're more tied to services. So if you promote Prime Video channels and someone signs up for a free trial, you'll actually get a $3 commission on that. If you get someone to sign up for an Amazon business account, you'll get a $15 commission on that. Usually I'll stick to products that I review. If you go on my YouTube channel, my first few videos that I've posted, I did reviews on water bottles, water bottle lids, computer products, things of that nature, and I've actually been earning commission on all those products. I'm going to go ahead and jump into that page right here in this tab. If you look right here, the last update is May 26, 2019. Today is May 27th, so this actually got updated yesterday. If you look at the summary for the month, I've actually shipped out 10 products. The total earnings are $25.47. Items ordered, 8 items. There have been 87 clicks on those videos that I've posted, and the conversion rate is 9.2%. I'm going to jump into the next tab right here. This breaks it down even more. This is the last 7 days, May 20th to May 26th. On May 20th, I've had 3 clicks and 2 ordered items. The way that this works is when someone orders the items, you actually don't get the commission until it actually ships. So this actually got shipped the next day. So if you see right here, May 21st, 2019, this is when it shipped. The earnings I've made are $3.08. I've had 6 clicks. The next day after that, I actually had 1 ordered item and also 1 click, but no earnings for that day. The day after that, no ordered items. I did have some clicks, but no earnings. The day after that, May 24th, I actually made $16.39 with 1 click. Now, the reason why I made so much money on one product is because that product was a high ticket item. I'm gonna go ahead and break this down even more for you guys. I'm gonna go into the earnings tab right here. So for the past 7 days, I've shipped 3 items. I've shipped a Hydro Flask water bottle, a Hydro Flask boot, which is an accessory for the Hydro Flask. And I've also shipped a GoTrex GXL scooter. So all these products, except for this boot, is something that I've reviewed on my YouTube channel. Now, what's so powerful about Amazon Associates is that once someone clicks on your link, it will actually attach a cookie to that browser. Now, if you guys don't know what a cookie is, it just helps Amazon figure out what links they're clicking on and for what accounts they should tie the commissions to. So these cookies are 24-hour cookies. So if someone clicked on a link at 11:59 yesterday, I will get a commission on everything they purchase within that 24-hour time frame. So if they don't even purchase the item that I reviewed, let's say I reviewed the water bottle and they go ahead and they purchase a webcam, I will actually get a commission on that webcam as long as they purchase it within 24 hours of clicking my link. Now that's pretty powerful in my opinion, and that's why I love Amazon affiliate program. I'm gonna go ahead and show you that breakdown for the profits. So the revenue for that scooter was $298, as you see on my screen right here, and the profits that I make are $16.39. I'm gonna go ahead and break it down for 30 days for you so you guys can see. So as you can see right here on my graph, everything in the green are the earnings, everything in the yellow are the ordered items, and everything in the red are the clicked items or the amount of clicks that I've had. And if I scroll down here, these are all the items that people have ordered from me. As you can tell, I've been earning a little bit. There aren't a lot of items that give me a ton of money, except for that GoTrack scooter. Now, what I think is so great is that you put up a ton of work in the beginning, creating content, creating videos, and getting all the links and getting everything sorted out. But once you put in all that work, you can actually earn passive income by leaving those videos up, and people actually come to your reviews and watch your reviews, and if they find those products helpful to them, they'll actually click on the link, and you'll actually start earning money every month on those products that you review. Alright guys, that's all I have for you guys in this video. If this video helped you out, go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys have any questions at all, go ahead and drop it down below in the comment section. And I'll be posting more content on my entrepreneurial adventures, as well as what I've done in the past. I've done things such as drop shipping, selling on StockX, eBay, been reselling things, as well as affiliate marketing. If you guys want to follow my journey, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I'll be posting content every single week. Besides that, that's all I have for you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.